Good morning, welcome once again to Wednesday's Chicken Eggs workout. Yes, I am dressed as a purple dinosaur monster thingy, and look at my hair, oh my god. And yes, I am dressed as a purple people eater today. A purple people eater, yes, it is a real purple people eater. Okay kids, come back behind the sofa, it's me, it's not a scary dinosaur thingy, even though that looks a bit weird. I've got two heads. Hello. It's like that. Anyway, yes, I'm going to do the purple people eater today now. Workout today, so are you ready? If you're not sure of it, just copy me, because I'm not really sure myself. I just thought I'd give it a go for a laugh. I've had a practice though, and it went alright. So we'll see how it goes, right? Okay, you ready? Please come out behind the sofa. I see you. It's only me, it's not a scary monster. And anyway, the purple people eater's friendly. He is. He certainly is. I'm worn out already because I've done it once already. Anyway, here we go. Are you ready? Purple people eater time. Start with clap your hands, bounce it about a bit like we normally do. Are you ready? Here we go. Fingers in the air. Point at chicken eggs. Got chicken eggs. Press that button. Come on here. Come on. Chicken eggs. Press that button. Right. Okay. Here we go. Here we go, get out of my face. Here we go, oh we go. Sure looks good to me. Here we go. Don't get to go, ooh, ooh. Go get that way, ready? Here we go! It sure looks good to me. Ready? Here we go. Sure looks good to me.
Hey, what's that flying up there? Is it a bird? No. Is it a plane? No. Is it a purple people eater?
Here we go. Let's go. There you go, purple people eater. And that ends Wednesday's workout with chicken eggs. Did you enjoy that? Because I did. I'm worn out now though, let's go. Okay, catch you next time. We'll probably see you on Thursday. Thank you, bye. Love you.